Are your third-party applications failing because of the Tbbmalloc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken references immediately. This DLL file is the Intel Threading Building Blocks Memory Allocator. It provides a scalable and efficient memory management system designed specifically for highly multi-threaded applications to reduce lock contention and fragmentation. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error commonly appears when Intel TBB files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of Intel TBB to repair the application and replace the Tbbmalloc Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Tbbmalloc library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install the Tbbmalloc Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing the Tbbmalloc library and system configuration. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Intel TBB. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.